got me helpless. I look into your eyes and the sky's the limit. I'm helpless. I'm down for the count and I'm drowning in it. I've never been the type to try and grab the spotlight. We were at a revel with some rebels on a hot tonight. Laughing at my sister, she's dazzling the room. When you walked in and my heart went boom. Trying to catch your eye from the side of the ballroom. Everybody's dancing and the band's top volume. Grind to the rhythm as we wine and dine. Grab my sister and whisper, yo, this one's mine. Ooh, my sister made her way across the room to you. And I got nervous thinking what she gonna do. She grabs you by the arm thinking I'm through. And you turn back to me and suddenly you're helpless. Oh, look at those eyes. Look into your eyes and the sky's the limit. I'm helpless. And I know I'm down for the count and I'm drowning and I'm helpless. So into you. I look into your eyes and the sky's the limit. I'm helpless. 'Cause I know I'm down for the count and I'm drowning in them. 1 week later, I'm writing a letter nightly. Now my life gets better every letter that you write to me. Laughing at my sister, 'cause she wants to form a heaven.
I'm just saying, if you really love me, you would share 'em. Ha!
2 weeks later, in the living room, stressing. My father's stone-faced while you're asking for his blessing. Dying inside as you wine and dine. And I'm trying not to cry, 'cause there's nothing that you might get do. My father makes his way across to you. I pay for a second thinking we're through. But then he shakes your hand and says to be true. And you turn back to me smiling and helpless. I look into your eyes and the sky's the limit. I'm helpless. I'm down for the count and I'm drowning in it. Helpless. He's mine, that boy is mine. I look into your eyes and the sky's the limit. I'm helpless. I'm down for the count and I'm drowning in it.
Eliza, I don't have a dollar to my name, an equivalent, a troop to command, a dollar of fame. All I have is my honor, a tolerance for pain, a couple of college credits and my top-notch brain. Insane, your family brings out a different side of me. Peggy confines me, Angelica tried to take goodbye to me. No stress, my love for you was never in doubt. We'll get a little place in Harlem and we'll figure it out. I've been living without a family since I was a child. My father left, my mother died. I grew up a wild, but I'll never forget my mother's face that was real. As long as I'm alive, and I just swear to God you never feel so
helpless. I do.
Eliza,
Look into your eyes and the
I
sky
never felt so
helpless. Down for the count, down for the countdown.
My life is never bad 'cause Eliza's in it.
I look into your eyes and the sky's the limit. I'm helpless.